It's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you have a great day. Today guys, I've got an unboxing of this month's ASOS face and body box. So this is actually the first month I have been able to get a hold of this box. This box sells out so quickly every time it comes on. Obviously it's different things every month, but every month it sells out like that. And I have had trouble getting hold of it previously. They're always fantastic value for money. They come on sale around about a week into the first, or during the first week of every month, but they are different times and different dates depending on when it goes on sale. It's not a subscription box, it's just something you have to be on the website at the right time to get your hands on. I follow Claire, Diary of a Beauty Geek, and she's worth following on Instagram if you're interested in these because she'll give you a heads up as to when they are coming online. I was very lucky. I happened to be on the website that was supposed to go up for sale, I think at 1 p.m. The day that I got it, and I was logging on from 12:30 onwards, and I think it went up about 10 to 1. But anyway, this is the box. I have been trying to get my hands on one of these. They've had some fantastic ones this year and things. So this one, this cost £12. They all, I think, cost £12. And inside we've got some really nice products. For our money, they're amazing. So let me show you what I've got. Let's open this box up. So inside we get a little card. This says Go Play, and it says Get Fresh Faced for Spring. What better way to celebrate the arrival of longer days and all things spring than with a new face and body box blooming with ultra fresh makeup and skincare. So it's nicely packaged in some pink tissue paper, and then we fold it back, and inside are our nice selection of products. So if we read the little card, it says the first on the list is first on the list of dewy goodness is the mini Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, loaded with hyaluronic acid, rosehip oil and shea butter. This moisturiser keeps your skin soft and hydrated during the warmer months. Trust us, it is called Magic for a reason. So this obviously is just a mini version of Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream, which is meant to be amazing. But the amount that we get in here, which is 7 mils, will actually probably last you maybe the best part of a week, at least. And it has in there, obviously, all the good moisturising things, but it's also got in there an SPF of 15. So it's something to pop on a morning to kind of keep your face, well, I was going to say safe in the sun, but 15 is obviously a very low number. But if you're like me and you're at work indoors most of the day and you just pop out now and then it's probably perfect. But I've heard so many good things about this cream, so I'm really excited to try it. Next, for a light as air finish to your face, ditch the heavy base products and try Ciate's coconut scented ultralight everyday vacay setting powder instead to help set your makeup and reduce your shine. Coconut scented, that sounds amazing. It's going to smell like holidays. Right, let's get this out of the box and see if we can, it'll probably be sealed, but I want to smell it. I want to smell the coconuts. So it's got the little, why can I never get hold of these damn things? I want to open it. Oh no! Got it, I've got it. Ooh. It's more subtle than I was expecting, but it does smell nice. I like makeup that smells nice, I really do. Setting powder. Okay, so my favourite setting powder, it's actually not the one I'm using at the minute. I'm still making my way through some Coty Airspun. But look forward to trying this. My favourite setting powder is Lottie London Ready Set Go. But if this little coconut scented one can do just as good a job, then excellent. Next it says, want to switch up your eyeshadow game? The Morphe 9V Pan Eyeshadow Palette is the perfect place to start. Experiment with 9 matte and shimmering shades, all made with delicious sunny days in mind. Let's open this up. One of my favourite eyeshadow palettes is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Love that, really do. So, and this is probably quite a nice little travel sizey one. Travel starting again for people, so it's beautiful. Look at those colours. I don't know if I'll be able to do it justice. Oh, this one is beautiful. Oh God, right, they've got names. That one's called Flourish. That it's the most beautiful shimmery pink. It's stunning. But they're all very easy to wear kind of shades, probably suit more skin tones. This one's very light, but this will get a lot of use out of the shimmers. Yeah, I really like that. It's such a travelable palette. I really like that. It's pretty. Like I said, Morphe are a good eyeshadow brand. Really like them. Colours in there, very useful. Can probably use all of those. And yeah, perfect. Next it says, finish your fresh look with Benefit's all new They're Real Magna Extreme Mascara. Get ready for those fake lash comments. It's that good. Oh my God. They're Real, if you don't know, it's something I talk about often. They're Real is one of my favourite mascaras. I've got on actually Bad Gal Bang today. I love Benefit's mascaras. They're Real is my favourite go-to everyday kind of mascara. So I genuinely very excited to be able to try this one because I hear good things. I hear good things and I've seen good things. People posting things on Instagram and whatnot. So hopefully this will be a good one. Will it be as good as Bad Gal Bang? Okay, so finishing our look and a slick of sleek makeups lip Volve gloss for wide awake eyes and high shine finish. So obviously talking about the mascara. Sleek do some really nice products. I've had nice lip products from them before. I haven't had this. I'm not a massive gloss fan, but I did wear a gloss on a video I did recently. Was it my Look Fantastic unboxing? And when I was editing it back, I was like, do you know what? I actually really like how that gloss looks on my lips. So maybe this will be a good one to try. Maybe it'll be a good one to try. Like I said, I'm not usually a gloss fan, but oh, it says it's a transforming lip topper. So I'm guessing you could pop it on top of shades and things as well to make them shiny. Okay, so this is the box, which I think I mentioned at the start of the video. It's sold out now, unfortunately, so you won't be able to get your hand on it. But I just wanted to show you what I've got and give you a little, because I've never talked about this box on this channel because I've never been able to get my hand on them. Hands on them. But like I say, for £12, we've got some excellent things. The Charlotte Tilbury Day Cream, though it's just a small one, this magic cream is meant to be amazing, so it's exciting. Setting powder, always a good one to have in our arsenal, especially with warmer days coming. The eyeshadow palette, it's beautiful, beautiful. I would pay £12 just for this. And then we've got the mascara, which I've been desperate to try, so really good. And then just kind of a little bonus extra really for me, not something that I'm desperate for, but it's the lip gloss. Like I said, a video recently where I used the shinier lip gloss. It was a Revolution Pro one, by the way. Really liked it. So maybe I'll try and get back into gloss. I just envision of it just sticking to your hair, sticking to it. So I think that kind of put me off a little bit. So guys, that is the ASOS Face and Body Box for this month. Like I say, unfortunately, it is sold out now. It sells out so quickly. So if you're interested, like I say, it's worth following somebody who knows their stuff. So like I say, I recommend Claire, Diary of a Beauty Geek on Instagram. I'll try link her account below. And yeah, just keep an eye out for it because they've had some fantastic ones I really wanted last month's box, but they basically said they weren't going to be releasing it till like a week later, so I didn't look, and then it turned out they released it earlier than I said, and I couldn't get my hands on it, but there's LMS and all sorts in that box, and like I say, they just offer fantastic value for money, so it is worth looking out for. Like I say, unfortunately, you can't get this one. I just felt like I needed to tell you about it because I haven't talked about it on this channel. It's just something that's worth looking out for. Anyway guys, drop me a comment, let me know if you've been able to get a hold of any of these boxes. Did you get this one? What do you think of it? Have you got any of the products in here? Let me know what you think, drop me a comment, that'd be fantastic. And if you've liked the video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up, that would be fab. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, take a little look, you'll see what I'm about. I've got unboxings, various makeup bits and bobs all the time, so yeah, stick around. And until my next video, thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye. Take care.